Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome settings on your Mac. If Chrome has been acting strange, running slow, showing unwanted pop-ups, or behaving unexpectedly, resetting it can help fix those problems quickly. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Mac. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, then scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on Reset Settings. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type Reset, and the option will appear. Now, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will pop up explaining what this will do. Your Startup page, New Tab page, Search Engine, and Pin tabs will be reset. All extensions will be disabled. Temporary data like cookies will be cleared. But don't worry, your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords will remain untouched. If you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click Reset Settings. Chrome will now restore everything to its default state, giving you a clean, fresh start. And that's it. You've successfully reset Chrome on your Mac. This is a great way to solve performance issues or remove unwanted extensions and settings changes. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.